this size. Yeah, sit back, Frankie. You're gonna burn your eyeballs.
Loki, how come you don't watch TV?
Yeah.
Hey, how come you don't watch TV?
It's alright, Loki.
He's trying to touch everyone anymore.
Some cats have the killer instinct. Some don't.
Hey, Loki got a bat. Once.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. He totally has a killer instinct.
Cool. Well, good for him. Oh, no, he's interested.
Oh, you can see him?
Yeah, he just saw them. Yeah, he just didn't see him before. Oh, wow.
He's looking at the TV.
Yup. Awesome. It's like, oh my god, what have I been missing? What is this?
Milo can hear him. Milo. Milo, come watch the birds.
Hey, come on, buddy. Hey, check it out. Check it out. Look. There's birds over there. Alright, that's not gonna work.
Oh,
Oh.
he sees him. No.
And he's like, whatever. Those are obviously digitally projected
Look at
birds.
Loki.
You know those are screen birds. You're a smart kitty, Milo. He's like, I know those aren't real birds. That's what he looks
I
like.
love how he looks behind the TV. Where'd they go, Loki? Franklin. I think Franklin senses this is some kind of trick.
Yeah, that's right. Just wants to be sure, though.
Oh, Milo sees it now.
Oh. Listen, buddy. What is it? Go get him.
Seem to get it. That's hilarious.
Way to go, Loki. You scared all the birds away. Aw. Skating around the side to get it through.
Poor Franklin. Frankie, what you doing? Hi. Hey, Frankies. It's okay, Frankie.